UPSC Prelims is just a matter of days now, and the trick to clear the exam is to learn from PYQs on what to study and what not to leave at any cost. Starting with art and culture, let us discuss which areas should we go make them a safe haven. First, there was a question relating to the area in Buddhism, that is Dhyanakatakka. Now, the confusion regarding the question provides a solution. Solution is to prepare the areas related to life of Buddha in ancient India. So, for this, today we will be discussing the Ashtasthanas, that are the 8 holy places related to life of Buddha. First is Lumbini, as you all know, the birthplace of Buddha, which is in Nepal. Second is Bodh Gaya in Bihar, where Buddha did the meditation to achieve enlightenment under the Mahabodhi tree. Third is Sarnath, where he delivered the first sermon. And fourth is Kushinagar, where he attained the death, the Mahaparinirvana. The other 4 important places being Shravasti, where he spent the most important 24 years and most long duration of his life here. 24 years of monastic life he spent in Shravasti. Next is Sankasya. This is a place where it is believed that Buddha, after his death, had ascended from heaven along with other gods. Now, the 7th place is Rajgir. This is a place where after the great departure, when he left his kingdom, he first visited and started begging for alms. And last is Vaishali. This is the place where he first received spiritual training from his people known as Alara and Udaka. Moreover, women were also ordained into the Sanghas at Vaishali. I hope this helps you in your preparation, and for knowing the rest of the places important in ancient India and related to Buddhism, stay tuned for the next video.